Hi guys, welcome to Auto, welcome to the channel and welcome to this beautiful E92 M3 built by Custom Racetech. As you can see, we are here today in their workshop and I'm going to show you around this car really quick, which I will be driving today. So M3 E92, which it started out as, but as you can see, a lot has changed on this car. So we'll do a quick overview. Like I said, M3 E92 with the S65 engine, and yeah, where to start because there are so many things on this car. We're starting off at the front here. You can see the beautiful BBS E88 wheels, one of the most common wheels around the ring on the series track tools, with the AP Pro 5000 calipers and the full brake setup. Also in the rear obviously, and this car also has the Flossmann carbon fiber fenders with the exits for pressure relief. So what else can we see here? The big GT4 splitter with the canards. Also we have the GTR style hood with the vent exits. Also this car actually has carbon fiber doors, and as you can see I'm wearing my helmet because I forgot the head strap today, so my bad, but this should be as fine as well. So carbon fiber doors, as you can see, with the legs and windows in the back all the way around. Yeah, what else? GT4 style spoiler on the car, so it's fully adjustable, as you can see, by moving it on the uprights. As you can see, this car also has an Akrapovic exhaust, actually a full system all the way from the headers back till the end. Carbon fiber roof on these cars from factory, and I will show you really quick. So as you can see, look at this. The gorgeous carbon fiber doors with the little carbon plates. The car is fully caged, of course, so nothing really in it anymore apart from the necessary stuff. So we have the full cage, the dash, Alcantara reupholstery by Custom Racetech. Then we have the steering wheel with the flashing DSC deactivation, MDM modes, horn, magnetic shifters, really cool. Also the full Alcantara center console. And we have the carbon fiber foot plates. This car has the Recaro Profi SPG XL seats, really nice. So yeah, I mean, they don't get much more serious than this setup right here. The car weighs at the moment with a full tank around 1380 kgs, so very light. It still makes around the same horsepower, so nothing much more than stock. But it does have cams, this car, and I will show you here real quick. Oh. So as you can see, the carbon fiber hood, this one also has a big fat carbon fiber intake, which will make that real cool induction noise. There's also a lot of stuff on the car that you obviously can't see. So this car sits on the KW Competition 3-way suspension. It also has a full uniball setup, but that's a bit of the secret sauce from Custom Racetech. So I can't show you everything in this case, but there's a lot of things going on the bottom of this car and why it feels so good. Also, it sits, of course, on the Dunlop Direct Size semi-slicks, so it's gonna handle properly. The gorgeous carbon cover in this case, and with, of course, our friends from Venturi, their carbon intake package for this car. So epic engine bay. So yeah, I will be taking you guys out on track with this machine, show you what it's capable of doing, and I'm gonna try to push it a bit because this is one of those cars where you really want to feel how it drives on the edge of what is possible with a machine like this. So I will push it for you guys, and yeah, I'll take you to the lab. So guys, we're about to go out in the E92 from Custom Racetech and ASG Remscheid and Harun, the owner in this case. So I just did a warm-up lap. I actually also managed to do a warm-up lap yesterday with this car, and oh man, this is, if I had an endless garage, this would have to be in it, because my god, does it feel good. I'm gonna open up this little window here, and then I'm gonna get the card out. There we go. So tires should be nice and pretty warm. The car sits on the Dunlop Diretsas, really good tire. And again, in this case, as with most of these track cars, you will hear that it's very loud. This car has a full Akrapovic exhaust, and I think no cats, I would say, by the sounds of it, but you will hear it. I will talk you through this lap a little, not too much, because this car is a handful in a very good way. So 8,500 RPM. This car also has different, the engine has different cams, so it revs a bit happier. And we have a flash button, which I get to use. We will have 2 yellows, so we're gonna have to take care there a little. And again, the E92 platform, and especially these built ones, the front end grip is, oh, it's something else again. It's so incredible. What I have to admit, on this setup compared to the other E92 that I've driven, is that the rear end balance is just a bit better. These brakes are some of the best I've ever felt. Oh, man. At the speeds we can carry. Ooh, rain. We have a little bit of rain, and we also have an oil spill, so we're gonna have to be careful. That's also the dangerous part about the ring, guys. It could be raining somewhere and elsewhere it couldn't, so let's see what the grip is like. We're gonna be a little careful. Foxhole, no problem. A little careful with traffic. Oh. The front end grip, the turn in, and then you can just feed the power in and it doesn't care. The setup is so settled. Also on the high speeds you feel that arrow, although it might be relatively little, work like a charm. It keeps you planted. And again, these brakes, oh, on the trouble, no problem. And we have a yellow, so turn on your hazards. Oh my god. This is something else. This really is something else. I have to say, Custom Racetrack did an incredible job here. This car also, what you really feel is that they lost a lot of weight, because this car I think weighs a good 200 kgs less than a regular one, or well, close to it. And you really feel that through the whole car. It's so nimble, it's so precise. You can point it wherever you want, it doesn't care. Here, a little tap on the brakes. And it's just, it's so controllable. The communication through the car is, I haven't felt like this in a while, I have to admit. It's For me, it's all race car feel over again. It feels like I went back 5-6 years being in a full-on racing car and having that confidence and the grip that you always get, and that aero balance, the car just sticking to the ground. Oh, like there's no tomorrow. Look at it. Just flat. Little tappy on the brakes. Outside line because traffic. Just feed in the power. No problem. Left foot braking, no problem. Into the carousel. Wow. I can feel that the tires are getting a little on the hotter side. Traffic, but these are fast guys, we can see. Little smile to the camera today. Oh my god. A little bit of rain, so could be slippery. A little careful. But it seems fine. What a machine. I have to take a breather here because a little speechless, because this is so balanced. It gives you that confidence like very few cars can do. You can push on the brakes, it doesn't matter. The throttle is not too much, it's always a nice amount. I mean, incredible. Speechless. Incredible job by Custom Race Tech. I have to hand it to them. This is of a different level. Not much to add here. Also massive thanks to Harun. Thank you so much, my friend, for handing me this car, trusting me into letting me drive this beast, because it is, I've never felt like anything like this before. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this lap. For me, this was a really good one. And yeah, see you at the next ring review, where again, maybe we can do something even crazier, but this is up there. This was really up there. Thank you so much for watching, and see you at the next one. Bye bye.